The purpose of this exercise is to learn how to move through your hip joints while maintaining a neutral spine position. It is the essence of core stability and the foundation of strong movement and posture in your body. It is not a stretching or a strengthening exercise. It is a learn to move properly exercise. You must first learn how to achieve a neutral spine while on your hands and knees. If you haven't already, please watch the 4-point neutral spine video. Once you have found neutral spine, you should feel like your sits bones are spread wide apart. Now imagine I attached a flashlight to both of them that is shining straight backward. Your goal is to rock your hips backward and keep the flashlights pointing straight at the wall. Your back may want to hinge and tip the flashlight so they are pointing at the ground. Your job is to maintain your neutral spine and hinge in your hips, not your spine. Remember, you are pushing your hips back to the wall behind you, not down towards your heels. Remember, the goal of this exercise is to learn to dissociate hip movement from spinal movement. It is a building block of core stability and hip flexibility. If you're having trouble, you likely need to learn to use your hip flexors and lower abdominals to stabilize your pelvis on top of your hips. Before you rock back, gently attempt to pull your pubic bone down to the floor and backward between your legs. This should function to further tip your bum upward. As you start to rock back, you need to work progressively harder and harder to keep your pubic bone down and back. This should be perceived as a gentle tightening of your lower stomach muscles. The lower stomach should work more, and you should consciously try to relax all the muscles around your hips as you rock backward. The position of your trunk is also important in this movement. The neutral spine position involves trying to keep your rib cage up and supported by your abs and diaphragm. If attempting to tip your bum up makes your whole back drop down, you need to draw some attention to your mid-back. Gently lift your mid-back to the ceiling as you breathe into the sides of your rib cage. Elongate your neck and keep your bum tipped up. If you need a refresher, please watch the neutral spine video again. This exercise is about control of movement and is not a static stretch. You should slowly and controlled rock back and forth for about 30 to 60 seconds at a time, before standing up to give your wrists and neck a break. This rock back movement is the fundamental skill required to squat, bend, and move well. It is useful in the rehabilitation stage, but is also useful as a maintenance and prevention exercise. Kneeling squats, bridges, and standing squats are your next step.